Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Tuesday, about 12 o'clock, midday. I pulled the lovely Aristo out. I'll show you that outside, the colour flip later. First things first, I've already got these doors in to paint the inside, ready to be put back on the car today. So I can paint the outside. So that every single nuts and bolts, as best we can, has been popped out. So we masked it further back than before because there's a line there, so we're going to try to make it like flow in better. Yes, so all the doors, all the trims, clips has been removed. So now I'm going to get the booth going, start painting this, and then bake it off and get it back on the car, ready for the outside doors to be painted. The Aristo's outside. Unfortunately, there's no sun, so we can't see the full effect of the flip. So, but I still walk around it because I did. After an hour later, all the 4 door shuts has all been painted and ready to be put back on the car. So that silky smooth. So she's all nicely laid, wet, better than factory, I say. So let's get these doors hung up. It's Wednesday now, about 11 o'clock. Yesterday, I didn't video a lot, but the Aristo doors inside's been refitted, and we painted the outside. Let's show you. And there you have it. The outside door and the inside doors have all been painted. The reason why I paint the inside of the door shuts first, if we put the doors on like now and paint it, she eliminates the problem of marking it. And here you have it, guys. When it's all demasked, she's all in one colour again. Shiny. Needs to flatten polish. Like a sheet of glass. So all the door shuts when you open it up. All mint and up there and all, so it looks factory. But we won't be working on this Aristo now because that's it now. We're going to leave it in the booth because I've got a crash repair job. We've got the parts, some of the parts in for the Golf, so we're going to swap the front panels over, and that's what we're doing today. So let's get on it. Right, guys, all the front's been stripped. Because it's actually like this is bent and all. three, like radiator, this and this pipe here. On this Aristo, we've got like dried dash. Of course, my mate here, he said to give it a go. He's rubbing some lotion on, see how it looks like. Yeah, so he wants to give this customer an extra mile.
It's all about the code extra mile.
Yes. We're not trimmers, but he's having a go. He loves leather. That's rubbing more and more moisturiser on it. Hopefully, it stretch it. The time will tell.